The retro look gets the headlines, but safety makes the sale. The 2025 Volkswagen ID Buzz has now been evaluated by the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, and the early results give families real peace of mind. In the updated moderate overlap front test, the electric van earned a good overall rating, which means the structure held up restraints did their job, and both front and rear occupants saw strong protection under the tougher backseat focus criteria. Lighting matters when your people are on board after dark. The ID Buzz headlights are rated acceptable, which means they deliver solid real-world illumination with some room for improvement on certain curves and approaches. That is still a meaningful step because headlights are a major factor in nighttime crash risk, especially for an upright 3-row people mover that will spend plenty of time on family roads and school runs. Active safety is part of the story too. In the pedestrian front crash prevention evaluation, the ID Buzz scored acceptable, indicating that its camera and radar-driven automatic emergency braking can avoid or significantly slow multiple test scenarios at typical urban speeds. Fewer surprises for the driver means more margin for everyone outside the vehicle. Everyday usability also gets attention in the lab. The seatbelt reminder system earned a good rating for its timing and volume, nudging unbelted occupants to buckle up quickly. For parents and caregivers, the child seat hardware is a standout. Lower Anchors and Tethers for children scored good plus, reflecting extra anchor positions and easier access that takes some of the frustration out of installing seats correctly. 2 core crash tests are still pending for this model. The small overlap front test and the updated side test will determine any top safety pick award decisions, because both must be good for the higher tier recognition alongside acceptable or better headlights and strong performance in pedestrian crash prevention. For now, the ID Buzz is off to a confident start with a good in the hardest front test and family-friendly wins in reminders and child seat hardware. If you are considering the ID Buzz, this early scorecard says the fundamentals are right. It offers solid crash structure, helpful technology, and thoughtful details for families. As soon as the remaining crash tests post, we will update you with the full picture. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our next safety update.